Hi, I'm Spencer. It can get really frustrating when you need to be somewhere and your car won't start. There are several possible reasons your engine is having issues turning over. The battery might be dead or have battery corrosion. You may have a bad ignition switch or bad starter connection. You may have a broken or shorting coil wire. It may be a fuel system issue, possibly involving electrical connections. Other fuel issues include a clogged fuel filter or an issue with your fuel pump and relay. You might have a loose starter, faulty cold start valve, bad injectors, chipped flywheel or ring gear, or bad engine control unit or mass airflow sensor. Your best bet at solving the problem is taking it into your nearest service station and having the car diagnosed and set straight, so you don't have to worry about whether or not your car needs a jump start in the morning.